John, thanks very much for joining us here in Frankfurt. For those who don't know, maybe just give us a quick introduction to the company and the strategy.
Salux is a senior debt bridge loan provider. We focus on residential properties in Germany only. The key differentiator is that, first of all, we do senior only. And secondly, bridge loan in our terms means loans up to 12 months. So from 3 months to 12 months, as opposed to where other banks or debt funds have minimum durations of 12 months, 2 years time. We do the short term. So it's basically used for bridge loan financing, for acquisition financing or refinancings that can be paid back within 12 months.
And have you been seeing a sort of increase in demand for that refinancing side, particularly, John?
Absolutely. In the first half of the year, the main requests were for transaction financing, so acquisition financings, and that has turned completely in the second half and switched into financing requests for refinances, for loans that become due in the next months.
And in terms of the overall market, I suppose, what are you expecting to see as we move into 2023?
Well, it's very hard to predict. I mean, I can tell you what we're not going to see, which is a strong pickup in market activity and lending activity in the next 6 months. We're pretty sure that's not going to happen. As much as I would love to see that, and other market participants would love to see that, we think it's going to be subdued for quite a while. Whatever comes thereafter depends on how the reasons for this insecurity develop over the next 6 months, right? We have so many different ingredients for this insecurity and for the subdued transaction activity that it's hard to predict when they will disappear and when the market activity will pick up again.
From your side, do you expect to see increasing demand in terms of that refinancing side over the next 12 months?
Yes, absolutely, because most of lenders are trying to collect their money and trying to be more conservative, not to spend more loans next year. So absolutely, refinancing requests will go up significantly. The question is, are they still bankable, those projects, right? And there's a huge difference to make between project developments, where we are somewhat pessimistic on the bankability of many projects, and real assets that need to be refinanced.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a really interesting time over the next 6 to 12 months. Thanks very much for joining us, John.
You're welcome.